Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter. Boom, 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 review stuff. And well, my video just went to hell. Family friendly. I am trying to review today these dog advent calendars, but I wish that I had bloopers of me trying to get all three dogs in this chair because none of the dogs wanted to sit in this chair. They were all like running around, all this kind of stuff, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, but before I do, I want to announce the winners of the two $50 Starbucks gift cards. So, the first winner, are you ready? Is Alyssa Wicker. Here she is, right here. Well, I don't know if I'm going to put up her name, but she also put her IG underneath here, Slick Wick. So anyway, Slick Wick, reach out to me, email me below, and I will get you your $50 gift card very, very soon. And the other winner of the Starbucks gift card, I also looked her up on Instagram. She does follow me, and she has an Instagram. The other winner is, are you ready? Jackie Leading, who also has an Instagram, and she also follows me, and that is her name on Instagram as well. So please, Jackie and Alyssa, reach out to me, email me at the Peter Review Stuff email below, and I will get out your $50 Starbucks gift cards as soon as possible. Thank you so much for following me on Instagram and watching my videos. It just means the world to me, and everybody that has emailed me has been like, I love your channel, and you don't have to say that, but it's just been so nice, and people are so thankful for the giveaway, and it's something that I like to do to be able to give back to you guys for having made the last year of my life over here so awesome. So thank you again, and let's attempt to do this review. So I guess right now it's just gonna be me and Pee-Pee, and the problem with that is that Pee-Pee has about 2 teeth left in his entire mouth. Do you wanna come over here, Pee-Pee, and be in the video? He said, I don't know if I want to or not, but I think I'm ready to go outside again. So here's Pee-Pee. It's Pee-Pee the flying chihuahua. Oh, you're tired? Can I have a kiss? Let me have a kiss. Do you want a treat? Well, we're about to have some treats. Are you he goes, where? Now, these are not the kind of treats that they typically eat. They typically eat these treats. They like they're either like hamburgers or chicken strips. You know what I'm talking about? They're like human food, but not, because they're for animals. So let me show you these 2 advent calendars that I got. I got this first one. I got this at Target. I think it was like $10 or $15. Advent calendar for dogs from the North Pole. So we're going to open this one in just a second. Here we're going to do a thumbnail. And then this one I got from Trader Joe's, Advent Calendar for Dogs, salmon and sweet potato dog treats. And they had one for dogs and one for cats. And I think they were like $10 or $15. They were pretty cheap. And you can see it's already, what, the 6th of December? I mean, they are begging. They are barking for the treats. Oh, by the way, I just purchased, and I will be doing an unboxing over here, a Bark Box, as well as Dapper Dog. Oh my God, and the Dapper Dog is so cute. And it comes with little toys and treats and all that kind of stuff. So those should be coming within the next couple days. Both of them said they've been sent already. Well, what was the first one? Bark Box. That one has been sent already. I think I'm actually, if I really like it, just gonna keep the subscriptions. So we'll see. It'll be something fun to open. All right, let's open the Trader Joe's one first. Now, it has little sayings on here. It has little things for dogs. It has like a ball and then all this kind of stuff, a football and all kinds of stuff. Oh, little dogs, you see. Anyway, so we're going to go over here, and it has little sayings on it. A girlfriend that likes to swim is a mermaid. 10 minutes of tug every other day. Squish a new squish toy. And it's, I know you're busy, so I made a list of all the things I'm going to need for the holidays. Oh, that's so sweet. 15 minutes of ball every other day, a play date with Petunia. That's Petunia right there. Oh, hey, Petunia. Do you know Sally Joe? She's right over there. Bad girl. Stay away from her. My very own pet shark. Oh, Pee-Pee, you have that already. Okay, so let's get into this, and let's see. The first day of Christmas, my true dog gave to me. Oh, these are like really cute little treats. Who wants a treat? They're all gonna come running now. So it's these little treats like this. Oh, they're kind of hard. Pee-Pee probably won't be able to eat these. Let's see how they smell. Boo, Tucker, do y'all want treats? Tucker said treats? We will see if the treat, come up here. You want a treat? Come up here. Come on, bud. Come on. Come up here. Can you hear him pitter-patting around? Do you want a treat? There's 2 treats. There's one for you. Oh, come here, honey. There's one for you. Boo Radley said, I want the treats. I want the treats. You're just gonna go, now Boo Radley takes his treats and he goes down into his little house. That's our crate, but we call it his house. We go to your, we don't say it because then they'll go. But Boo Radley, he'll just go down there and sit for the longest period of time. He just loves to sit in his little house. Okay, you ready? Come up here, buddy. Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on, Tucker. Come on. You can get up here. Come on. Good boy. And there's Tucker, and we're going to see how they like the treats. Do you want the treat? Now, Tucker will take it and run. Here you go. How is that? Well, he said, I never do turn a good treat down. Okay, he's eating it. Now, Boo Radley, do you want to try this treat? Oh, they want more treats. You want more treats? Oh, Boo Radley didn't like it, so Tucker said he will eat it. Okay, so let's go underneath here and see if every treat is the same. I kind of thought these would be like hard dog treats. Oh no, they're like different shapes and sizes. Well, what do you do when you have 3 dogs? That's kind of a problem. Okay, Tucker is like, you guys, I wish you could see this. Come on, Tucker. You want another treat? You want another treat? Oh, they are all wanting the treats now. Okay, here you go. Boo Radley, you sit right there. We'll put the treat. Tucker, he's going around through the kitchen. He's gonna come back this way, watch. Come here, we got treats, more treats. Come on, come on, come on the chair. My house is crazy. Look at this. This is a square treat. Now, Pee-Pee can't eat these because of his teeth. So we have to give him soft treats. He'll get lots of soft treats in a second. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come on. Okay. Go that way. You want to try this treat? Here you go. What do you think? He said, I love all the treats, Dad. I'll take all the treats. Can you guys see? You can't see. Oh, there's Boo Radley. Boo Radley said, where is my treat? Okay, so let's go into number 3. I'm not going to open all of these, but these are little stars. So they're basically the same thing every day. They're just little different ones. That's stars. Oh, Boo Radley is, do you see this? He is like, where are, okay, Boo Radley, I will give you a treat, honey. They're so sweet, aren't they? Boo Radley, you want your treat? Here you go. Tucker, here's your treat. You got to show it on camera. Honey, we're here, look. Here, it's Tucker, it's not the wrapper, honey. He is going crazy. He wants it. I want all the, he's taking it out of my hand. Okay. So it's basically the same thing every single day. It's just every single day it's like different, like, every day it's different shapes. Okay. So we're going to do that one. And now let's try the Target one. This was actually the first one I got. Oh, it shows in the back it has little cookies and stuff like this. Now, let me just tell you, in our house, I don't know about your house, but these are straight up diarrhea family friendly. Oh my God, but they are, okay? So we're not going to be giving the dogs all of the treats at one time. But I think Pee-Pee might be able to eat one of these cookies. I like to think that he can, but his teeth are just so bad. Right, Pee-Pee? He's being so sweet right over here. Okay. Excuse me. Woo! Okay. So this is what, that's what all that cussing will get you. Just get you coughing and going all day long. Don't cuss, okay? So anyway, this is what the 24 days of Target dog advent calendar looks like. It's cute, isn't it? Oh, did I do a thumbnail already? I needed to do a thumbnail. Did I do one already? Okay, there's my thumbnail. What time is that? 8:14. Okay. So here's, we're going to go in here. Number 24 must be a big one. You get a big cookie on that day. See, on the back here, it shows you get a Santa Claus cookie and then all these little cookies. So here you get on the first day of Christmas. Oh my Lord, Tucker! He is going to die. Look at this. I hope you can see it. It is like literally like it's got sprinkles and everything on it. It is. Oh, it smells like a gingerbread cookie. Tucker, come here. Come here, honey. You want to get up on the... Okay, we knocked over the ring light when we were trying to, he doesn't see it yet. We knocked over the ring light when we were trying to get up on the chair, didn't we, buddy? Who's my little boy? Who's my little boy? He said, I am. Do you see the treat? Do you want to get the treat? The treat is spotted, and he is going to take the treat, and he's going to tell us what he thinks about the treat. Are you going to eat it right here? What do you think? He said, oh, it's really good. Okay, let's see what some of the other treats are on here. It's another little cookie. And then, oh, it's a red cookie. Okay, this is where you get the diarrhea problems right here. I'm just saying, okay, don't come for me. It's family friendly, but I'm just saying that sometimes then the consistency change. You know what I'm saying? This is family friendly over here, but if you have dogs, you know what I'm talking about, okay? One year, we got Pee-Pee a birthday cake, and then like for all 3 of them, it was like a dog birthday cake. Do you know what I'm talking about? But it had like dog frosting. You get it from like one of those dog boutiques, and it's like real bougie and everything like that. You have a dog birthday party, but it was just for the 3 of them, and I was like, I fall into that stuff. I'm like, oh, this will be so sweet. They'll love it so much. These dogs, it was literally runs for days. It was horrible. Anyway, okay. Let's see, Tucker. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, my Lord, it's another one just like you had. Okay, let's try this one, and we're going to give half to Boo Radley, and Boo Radley's probably still working on that last treat. And, okay. Boo Radley, you want a treat? Booby! We call him Booby. Hey, which treat do you want? He says, I want all the treats. Tucker, okay, there is a reason, okay, why he and I both relate to being large Marge is in charge. I'm just saying, okay, he likes the treats. He likes to steal everybody's, oh, see the ring light. He likes to steal everybody's treats. Here, you want this treat too. So anyway, okay. I am giving away for this video a $25 Visa gift card, but I do also need something else from you guys. Here you go. He has all of his teeth. He eats so much and he has all of his teeth. I hear Boo Radley coming. Boo Radley's gonna want another. Boo Radley, you want another treat? I'm gonna give away a $25 gift card for this video. Boo Radley, Boo Radley. But what I need from you guys, okay, is I need you to put down in the comment section below what is your favorite holiday treat. What do you love to eat around the holidays? It can be, Boo Radley, he keeps on running in and out of the kitchen. It can be pizza rolls, which my husband calls pizza nibblers. It can be, okay, you want another treat, Boo Radley? Come here, honey. It can be pizza nibblers. It can be chips. It can be whatever you want. I'm not the red one, not the red one. Boo Radley, look, come here, bud. Boo Radley, we got a treat for you. Come here, honey. Come here. Okay, here, you ready? You better go get that before Tucker does. Okay, you guys go find it. Boo Radley. Oh, my Lord. Okay, here, Boo Radley. We'll give you the other one. But anyway, put in the comment section below what your favorite treat is, and I will pick at random on Sunday morning, okay, a winner at 6 a.m. That is when the contest giveaway ends. But what I also need from you guys in the comment section below is I would like for you guys to let me know, where did the other half of the cookie go? Here, Peep, you can try this. Pee-Pee. Here, honey. Should we see if Pee-Pee can try a little bit of the cookie? Here, come here. He's like, I want a little bit of the cookie too. There you go. So anyway, we'll see with his teeth if he can lick it or try it or whatever. Oh, he's actually eating it. Oh, he is. Oh, that makes me so happy. Here, Pee-Pee, you can have all the cookie you want. So anyway, put in the comment section below what other giveaway things you would like, what kind of gift cards, because when I stand in front of the gift card thing, I'm like, do they want one from Lowe's? Do they want from one? You know what I mean? I don't know what you guys want. So put it in the comment section below because I want to make you guys happy and I want to give you guys giveaways that will make you happy. So anyway, put that in the comment section below. This went off a little bit better than I thought it would. I love you guys and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.